Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share an incredible beauty hack from Asia that can help you achieve glass skin. Rice water ice cubes. Rice water is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that nourish, smooth, and brighten your skin. It's also rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for soothing and revitalizing your complexion. To make these ice cubes, start by rinsing half a cup of uncooked rice to remove any impurities. Then, soak the rice into 2-3 cups of water for about 30 minutes, allowing the nutrients to seep into the water. After soaking, strain the water into a clean container and pour it into an ice cube tray. Carefully place the tray in the freezer and let it freeze completely, which usually takes a few hours. Once frozen, use a rice water ice cube to gently massage your clean face in circular motions. The cold temperature helps reduce puffiness, tighten pores, and improve blood circulation, while the rice water deeply nourishes your skin. Focus on areas with enlarged pores or inflammation for best results. Allow the rice water to air dry on your skin for maximum benefits. The best time to rub ice cubes on your face is in the morning, as it helps to wake up your skin and reduce any morning puffiness. You can also use it in the evening as part of your nighttime skincare routine to help your skin recover and regenerate while you sleep. Rice water ice cubes are particularly beneficial for those with acne-prone skin, as the anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness and swelling, while the cooling effect soothes irritated skin. With regular use, you'll notice your skin becoming smoother, brighter, and more radiant. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.